Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar on the left, at least in this configuration. And at the very top we've got the crossed out icon which is connected with the timer. So let's simply tap on it. And in this device we've got 4 different options. So off, I believe it's 2, 5 and 8 seconds delay. So just tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 8 seconds delay, and as you can see this icon will immediately change. So now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 8, 5 or 2, I believe, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, be patient, I believe. Alright, it was taken finally. So this is how it works. Just tap on this icon and choose the specific option. If you wish to turn it off, just tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.